What's up guys, this is Dash and he is our pet wiener, and today I want to make him a gift. Dash has been with Amanda since he was born. Recently Amanda got a new job, so every morning she leaves, he watches her as she goes and waits for her return. I think he feels alone because he asks me to pick him up and we chill together on the couch. Here in Toronto it's getting pretty cold, so I thought why not make him a little bandana and surprise Amanda when she gets back. Let's go.
You like this bandana, wiener? You want bandana? Like this? You like it, wiener? Or no? I'm gonna be embroidering this bandana for Dash. I just think he looks best in yellow, and I'll be utilizing the Design Doodler to complete the design. The reason I'm going with the Design Doodler is because it has a font option, so it makes it a lot easier for us to make some quick text, and then maybe we'll add some extras. Let's go. So I'm just gonna stick to doing a 4x4 inch hoop because I think that's gonna fit this bandana best, and the mighty hoop will be super easy to use. Let's enable the text. Let's select the text right here, put it around the middle. I'm going to go into the settings. Let's change this to Dash. Let's see what fonts we got. We have Diana Script, Rebecca, and ooh, I like this one, Avante New. Awesome, and we're just gonna add a zigzag underlay. Awesome. I really like this one, so we're gonna leave it there. I actually took a photo of Dash's paw, so I'm gonna be adding that onto it. There you go, you can see the paw. It's pretty cute, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this image and bring it underneath. I think that's pretty cute, maybe like this. Yeah. I wonder how Amanda is going to react to this, guys. We're just gonna put it like that, and we're gonna use probably the fill tool. I think should be good, and let's create those paws. Something like that. Second one. We really gotta cut his hair. It's getting a little bit long and shabby, isn't it? And I'm just gonna highlight it, and I'm going to add a pretty quick little underlay. We're just gonna add a perpendicular underlay just so that it has some stability. Probably gonna delete this one. I don't think there's any to this one. And I'm just gonna fix this a little by moving these around. Aw, that is so cute. I like it. That was so fast, and the design is now done. Now I'm gonna transfer this onto the PC and save it as a DST. Here you guys can see the design is now on my computer. Super simple. I'm going to save this as a DST, Tajima, DST, perfect. And we're gonna save it as Dash. Now the Dash file is right here and it's ready to be embroidered. So I'm thinking I want the bandana to be officially folded like this. That way it can either be on his neck or it can also be on his back. I think that'll honestly look best. Now we're gonna hoop the bandana. Let's go. For this design, I'm using a couple of tools. The base that you see there is called an Echidna hooping station. The hoop is a 5.5 inch hoop by Mighty Hoop, and I'm gonna use some no-show cutaway mesh so that the backing looks super clean. What I do is I cut the mesh to the size of the hoop, and then I split it in half so I can use the other piece later. Then I add the stabilizer, and on top I place the bandana. I try to match it as best as possible, and when I'm ready, I hoop it all together. This is what the result looks like. Super easy, super clean, and now we can embroider on it. These products honestly save so much time when it comes to embroidery. It's actually so freaking cute. Came out so good as well. And let's see the back. Lovely, lovely. Awesome. And the reason why I like this, if I haven't said so already, is because this is almost a no-show cutaway, which means that after we cut this out, the threads are gonna stay super stable and it's gonna look beautiful and hold out for a really long time. Now I just gotta be careful to not cut the actual bandana. Okay, there we go. That looks pretty good. that looks adorable. I love it. I gotta go show Dash right now. Looky, looky, wiener. It's your new bandana. What do you think? Do you like it? Ah, he loves it. What do you want to try it on? Okay, we'll try it on. Oh wow, look at this wiener. What does it say? What is your name? I don't know. But if I look at the back, it says Dash. That's you, wiener. I can't tell if you're really happy or in misery. Is it a yay or nay? What you think? I guess we're gonna have to wait for Amanda to come home for her to be the deciding factor. See you later, wiener. Bye. Dash, Amanda's back. You ready, wiener? You ready? Go. Go say hello.
Oh, noodles! What's this?
Oh no!
Handsome? What is this? Oh, is my handsome? Beauty! Now everybody knows your name, but how do we label your diapers, Noodle? How? This is so cute! Ay, qué bonito!
What would you rate the design out of 10?
Oh man, I would rate it probably a 9 out of 10.
What's missing? That's his paw, by the way. I took a photo of his paw and then I printed it on the Design Doodler and then I put it on it. It's actually Dash's paw.
Oh, I was wondering if he used a generic one.
No, it's not generic. It's actually his paw.
And there you go, guys. She gave it a 9 out of 10 because I messed up the presentation a little bit. So we'll fix it up for next time. Hope you guys enjoy learning how to make this bandana. And remember that all the links are in the bio and that we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye, guys.
He leaves. He's gone. Goodbye.
That's how it goes.
He's left us.
What can you do?